hard? Okay. Yeah, I just pulled this back, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just like that.
It's definitely.
Down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. I want you to take me home, yeah. Wonder what's in here. If this was like a perfect road and I knew I had the whole lane to myself, this would be pretty incredible. This looks like it might be a good spot for a Moto drone vlog here. See, is this safe? Is this a good idea? Seems like a super not good idea, but went better than expected. Definitely didn't die. That's good. It's always good not to die, right, guys? I love not dying. That's my favorite part of being alive. It's the part where I'm not dead. As long as we can keep that going, everything should be K-OK. Well, get the fuck in there, bitch. Oh. You spin me right round, baby, right round. When you go downtown. Now to get out of here, which should be pretty interesting. Going down was pretty easy. Going up will be the challenge of a lifetime. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I was really expecting the sports bike tire to kind of slide down and give me a bunch of trouble. Smooth handling. Just keep that throttle steady. Everything should be okay. Two cool bikers, yo! Rocking it! My nose is so itchy. Oh my god. Oh, that's better. Oh my god. Look at it. What is this? Is this in case the dam fails? Are these here because the dam might fail? Is that the line of defense if the dam fails over there? There's a single mother on the street with her baby, known to take care of them, starving on the street over there. Did you guys see that? Yeah? Not good, mate. Not good. There's some homeless over here. What, this kid's so poor he doesn't even have a shirt. We fix that! Look at that! We fix shit! It's what we do. It's what we goddamn do. We fix that. Notice that business had no description of what they fix. Like, is it lawnmowers, cars, houses? It's just that. Oh, respect, bruh. Respect. Zero respect, bruh. You're making the community look bad, bruh. You're making the community look bad, okay? The chopper community, you guys are fucking it up. okay? I'm a sports bike guy. I probably always will be until I get probably fatter and older. Okay? I give him the old two fingers. He gives me like nothing, or sometimes they'll do the old. This is the real lazy old chopper guy. They'll do the old, bruh, right here. I got you. See the two fingers right there, bruh? Got you. Respect, bruh. Two fingers. That rant went down the hill quick, bro. That rant went down the hill quick, bro. Should have thought it out before I started riding, or not. I never really think, guys. Not only do I not think before I ride, I really just don't think. Period. Okay. Oh, fuck. My phone looks a bit fucked. Wouldn't you say? Was that the camera there? Looks a bit fucked, doesn't it? What could I have done to it? Back? Oh my god, it's fine. Okay. I thought the screen was just done for. Pretty sure that guy thought I was crazy when I was talking to myself there just now. A lot of people will say drop a gear in this spear, but what I like to do is actually go up a gear, because I'm not made out of money. I can't be burning that kind of gas. Look at that doll-like house. That's one thing I can't stand, is that pink I hate Victorian shit altogether. Honestly, like, I feel like 17th to 18th century, like the most disgusting age of all time. You look at the way everyone was dressed. They had like little feathers, and they had like little turtlenecks that look like flowers. It's just disgusting. Like, well, guys, I'm gonna have to call it a day. I feel like I said a lot today. I've put good information to your heads, a lot of useful information too, a lot of stuff you should know. Victorian houses aren't cool. Let's see, what else? What else did I teach you today? I mean, lots of stuff. And I'll be making more Kawi drone vlog videos. It's gonna help you out. It's gonna make you a different person. Watch this channel. Love it.